This video walks you through how to add an autoplay video with sound on Wix. Start by signing in to your Wix account and opening the website where you want this video to appear. If you manage more than one site, make sure you open the correct one before moving on. Once you are inside the site dashboard, look for the option labeled Design Site or Edit Site. Click it to open the Wix editor, since that is where you will place the video and adjust how it behaves on the page. After the editor loads, go to the left side of the screen and click the Add button, marked with a plus symbol. From the panel that opens, choose Video and Music. In that section, select Upload Video. This opens the path for bringing in your own video file rather than using another media source. Next, click Upload Media. Choose the video file from your device, then wait while Wix finishes uploading it. The upload time will depend on the file size and your connection, so give it a moment if needed. When the upload is complete, select the video you just added and place it on your page. You can then position it where you want visitors to see it when the page opens. With the video now on the page, click directly on it to bring up its controls. From those controls, click the settings icon, which appears as a gear. This is where Wix lets you decide how the video starts and whether sound is enabled at the beginning. Inside the video settings, find the option called Play Automatically and turn it on. This tells Wix to start the video as soon as the page loads, without requiring the visitor to click play first. If autoplay is the goal, this setting needs to be enabled before you publish. Then look for the Mute on Play option. If you want the video to begin with audio, switch this setting off. That is the part that allows the video to autoplay with sound instead of starting in a muted state. Make sure both settings are configured the way you want before leaving the panel. Once those changes are in place, click Preview to test the page. Watch the video area carefully and confirm that the video starts automatically and that the sound plays as expected. If something does not look right, return to the editor and review the autoplay and mute settings again. When the preview looks correct, click Publish to push the updated version of your site live. Wix will save the changes and apply them to your published page so visitors can see the video behavior you just set up. Your Wix site now has an uploaded video set to autoplay with sound on the published page.